Hi guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make $100 per day on Autopilot. Watch this video all the way to the end as I give you the step-by-step guide on how to make $100 per day on Autopilot. If you are excited and ready to learn more about this procedure, then let's get straight into the value of today's video without wasting too much of your time. Set it up and forget about it. So yesterday I made $121. When you think about it, I didn't post anything commercial. And yesterday's email didn't have a link to my courses or a sales page for them. You might wonder how this could be true. Automation, I'm saying, is the key. People sign up for my email list and move through pre-written sequences that sell my courses. 70% of all sales came from that. The other 20% came from articles on Medium, and the remaining 10% came from a few affiliates who sold my courses. $100 a day is $36,500 more a year. $100 a day is $36,500 a year. Not something to scoff at. And if you work every day to get people to sign up for your email list, it's the easiest passive income you will ever make. You don't even need your products. You can become an affiliate for a product that helped you reach a goal and spread the word about it in a way that others find useful. You can build an email list for free with Gumroad. All you have to do is set up the emails once and offer people something of value in exchange for their email addresses to get them to sign up. It could be a free video tutorial, PDF, or email course that lasts 5 days. So why don't you just do it? Start today and reap the rewards of automated income. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips shared in this video to get the value I just shared with you. Don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions concerning how to make $100 per day on Autopilot. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you later.